I'm looking at integrated space weather analysis. This is 3 angstroms as a composite, and there's something happening down here. One of my regular spots. And then 24 at 8. No, it just went past. You see there's something, I think something came by here. They'll say it's a coronal prominence, of course. No one will say anything about it actually because no one pays attention. But anyway, that looks like something came by again. Then I'll go to 211 angstrom, shows the corona. It's pretty darn weak on the lower half of the sun. 24, 8 o'clock. You can see it up here. Less visible, but it looks like something goes by more than something shoots out of the sun. This is definitely shooting out of the sun. This is definitely shooting out. Active region. A little bubble in here. This is the composite again. 2 frames per second. Seems to indicate a circumference. Energy seems to be going up and stopping. Don't see it shooting out. And then there's these rings all the way around it. And here's the helio viewer. So this is not conclusive, just like nothing is on this stuff. But it looks like there's an object here. See right there, there's all those roundish loops. Whenever I get those half circles, I'm a little suspicious. And energy going up and stopping. And so I didn't see anything on either of these. All the hours are there, so there's nothing to see, obviously. There's our solar winds from the right. But when the arrows point to the right, then there's some other energy besides the sun, right? Because the solar wind goes from right to left. That's why all these arrows are like this. So, is there objects here? Because there's no arrows coming to the right from here to here, but then from here to here there are. So is there an object there? I'm not sure. Here is our sulfur dioxide from Hawaii is bubbling up. This is flowing more and more. The amount of lava, the amount of magma coming to the surface, and they call it lava, is increasing in amount, and they can tell from the chemical composition that it's deeper and deeper from inside the earth. So that seems to be continuing pretty steadily. So we got the other parts of the ocean bubbling. Galapagos, New Zealand off its coast. This, that must be a volcano. It's a lot of cars. And out here there's no islands, but there's lots of bubbling. Way up here towards Japan, there's no islands in these spots. So everything's warming up. Now here's the North Pole. Nothing's frozen up here except, except the north of Greenland right here. So that's frozen anyway with that big ice sheet that's melting. But the deal is permafrost goes like all this way. So all these spots under the water is melting. It's permafrost. On the land, it's all really warm. Look at that. You can go up to vacation in Alaska now. Anyway, that's all melting. It's 120 almost, and any poor folks over there deployed. And then we got minus 75. That's pretty cold. Okay,